I bought the laptop and it took me 2 whole days to see the laptop because I did not have time and I wanted to unbox for you people. Can you imagine? So the video was supposed to be unboxing. This was my birthday last year, 2022, and I was going through my videos and I saw the video and I said, okay, we suffered to shoot this video. We should put it out there, and also I'll use this opportunity to like tell aspiring data scientists or new data scientists like myself what to look out for when you're buying a laptop. Hello gracious ones, so welcome back to the channel. Today I strolled past my school and I thought, okay, let me be making content with my school background because like I'm going to miss the school soon. And yeah, I remember last year I ordered a laptop and it got delivered and I was going to do like an unboxing with you guys, and guess what, I laptop that my husband collected while I was in school, when I got home I took the laptop again, took it to the door like I was going to collect it. Like content creation is not for the faint-hearted, trust me, at all, at all. At all. So I took it back to the door, and from the door I took it into the house and I went upstairs. I dropped it on the bed, set the camera, sat on the bed, looked into the camera to be sure that it's recording so that I do not unbox and it wasn't recorded. I'm just coming from the dentist. My mouth is numb, so I might be talking in such a funny way, but yeah, I'll be fine. So here I am unboxing my laptop. Not another point I would just give you is sometimes you might find laptops that are very good, as in almost new, and you'll be getting them for half the price you would have gotten a new one or even cheaper. I got this one, for example, from eBay. It's excellently refurbished, and if you ask me, it's been awesome. It's almost like a new one, just that it didn't come sealed and all. And I had 1 year warranty on it. So don't go for laptops with HDDs, hard disk drives. Go for the ones with solid state drives, SSDs. Also go for the ones with higher storage. You're going to be running codes. Your code will need space. You also need to look at choosing the right display. How big do you want it to be? Does it have blue filter, because you'll be looking at your laptop for a long period. So this video is not holistically for type of laptop to choose. No, it was just supposed to be my this thing feels swollen. Like it was just supposed to be like unbox my laptop with my video, but I thought to always have something to share or learn whenever I do any video, even for vlogs. And so yeah, just dropping this bit. Be sure what you want, how many inch display you want. You look at the OS. I think Windows 10 is preferable. I'm not a Mac person. Some people use Mac, but there are a lot of restrictions. So I think you should just go for a laptop with Windows 10, and also choose something that can be upgradable if you need to. A laptop that is durable. I think HP and Dell laptops are quite durable from my experience using them. But I went for a Dell for so many other reasons. So yeah, I'll just be writing the reasons why I chose the Dell by the side. On the second thought, I'll just tell you why I chose this laptop, and if there's anything that is worth writing, I'll write. So I'll just speak instead of writing. I chose this laptop specifically because of the fact that it met almost all the requirements a data science laptop should meet. This laptop is the Dell XPS 139305. That's system model. The memory is 16 gigabyte RAM. It has 512 gigabyte storage. The processor is an 11th generation Intel Core i7, at 2.80 gigahertz. It practically ticked all the boxes for me, and I'm glad I bought it. I also hope that if you want to get one, you check the reviews. I checked the review of the seller, is a superstar seller. So many things convinced me to get it. It's almost as new and as new could be, but then it wasn't like sealed from company or from the manufacturer. But it did come with 1 year warranty, and even when I had a slight issue with it, I just did put a call through to the Dell customer service, and they resolved it, swiftly. This is no advert for Dell, just me giving my own honest review on the laptop. I've used it for about a year and 3 months now, and it's been awesome. I love it. I love it. And this is what the screen looks like. It's beautiful, it's portable, it's lightweight, and all the good stuffs in between. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna call it a day here, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. As usual, stay graceful. I love you, and take care. Bye.